Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: an active Azure subscription, proper billing role, and access approval for Azure OpenAI. Once done, open the Azure portal and create or pick a resource group near your users. Then deploy an Azure OpenAI resource, selecting the model family and region. This defines latency and compliance. Make sure to choose the right pricing tier and enter tags for cost tracking. These initial decisions shape performance, cost, and governance down the line. Next, you'll secure and connect to the service. Create an Azure AD app registration and generate a client secret or certificate for non-interactive access. Store credentials in Key Vault. Then assign RBAC roles to the app or users so they can call the OpenAI endpoints. Once authenticated, configure networking. Use a VNet with private endpoints for production, or allow list your development IPs. Make sure Key Vault access policies and managed identities are enabled to reduce secret exposure. Finally, validate and deploy. You'll run a simple API call via curl or the SDK using your endpoint and key to confirm the model responds. Once verified, integrate the client into your app, implementing retries, timeouts, and input validation. Deploy to staging first, monitor usage, and enable logging and alerts for errors and quota thresholds. If something breaks, check quota limits, token expiry, firewall or private endpoint rules, and RBAC permissions. These are the most common culprits to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.